Let's unbox one of the boxes that I've been leaving before the new year. This is from Sephora. I bought a perfume that I thought I'm gonna like, and this is from one of the brand that's super popular, and their new one is more excited. So I decided to try this one, order this one. I'm using some of my point. I bought a smaller size, and oh my god. You know, the one thing I hate about buying stuff at Sephora is that the thing when they said you can get 2 samples, and the sample that you pick is always turn out they give you something else. It's not something that you want. I'm so disappointed. I think I got 2 of the perfume sample, but they give me this. I don't even know the brand. So stupid. So the perfume that I bought is from YSL. It's called Libre, but the latest one is the Le Perfume. It's more concentrated. It's more like it's longer lasting. So let's open it. I feel like I've been obsessed with perfume because my current perfume is kind of running out. So I'm trying to restock it for something that I can wear for party, something that I can wear every day. And this is a small size. This one is 1.6 ounces. Wow, look at this. At first I was thinking of getting the gold bottle, the very trendy popular gold bottle one, but look at the notes that they have. I don't really feel like I'm gonna like it, so instead of that gold bottle, I'm getting the Le Perfume. Wow, the packaging is so nice. It's like so beautiful. Let's see. This one is having a different note. So let's see on my skin. Look at the design though. I never had this kind of bottle before. Very luxurious, very fancy, very nice YSL logo on top. I always like something that's more intense, more concentrated. So this would be perfect for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. This smells so good. A little bit spicy. Very strong, but I mean like very bold and strong, but I feel like it's gonna stay all day on your skin, even if like you spray and after shower, it's gonna still, you're gonna still smell something from your body from this perfume. Something really familiar, but I can't remember. I don't remember what is it that it's reminded me of. So I'm gonna using this as a replacement for my other bottles that is out. I'm just gonna put it back so it's still kind of new. There's the bottle. Libre, Le Perfume. I think this one is just come out later. This year, not very long time, because the original is the Eau de Perfume. And this one is different. So if you want something strong and really unisex, I think you're gonna like this one, Libre, Le Perfume.